In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert a hyperlink in New Outlook. Now to do this, first you want to open a new message or mail. So you want to click on Create New Email Message on the Home tab, top left. And then from here, as you can see, you can just go and type in some text. So for example, I'm going to type in hello there, and then I'm just going to go and highlight this text. And as you can see, it's automatically going to pop up a few things. Now here, one of them is this link, which says insert a hyperlink. So you want to click on that. And then from here, you can just go ahead and type in the link you want to go to. So in my case, I'm actually just going to go to my YouTube channel. So I'm going to paste it in, and you can also select how you want to display this and just click on OK. And there we go, this is now going to be a link. Now you don't even have to type in anything. You can just go, for example, here, and then go to the top here where it says message, and you have the link. You can click on link over here. You can then type in your display. For example, I'm going to type in YouTube like that, paste in the URL, click on OK, and that's going to work as well. So that's how to add a hyperlink. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.